This is really cool. I want to show you guys this real quick. And what these do, these go on your feet. So when you're riding a motorcycle, a scooter, a bicycle, or something like that, you drag your foot on the pavement and sparks go flying everywhere. So what they do, they slide over your shoe like this, and they kind of clamp around with just Velcro right there. So it's all Velcroed on there. It looks so cool at night when you're just kind of like going around a curve, especially when you're on an e-bike, because I don't have to pedal. I have throttle, and I just drag my heel and let my foot drag, and sparks will go flying everywhere. The only thing I wish I'd got like 2 or 3 pairs of these. Actually, I might just go ahead and order me several of them, so that way I have a whole stockpile of these things, so when I start wearing them down, I can kind of like keep riding, especially on skateboards, scooters, e-bikes, you name it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the foot sparkers. See you all in the next video.